Brilliant! We have one more successful trade. The balance is already more than $100, but we don't even think about stopping. So let's count it. Think about how much money do you make at work in a day? $30, $40 or $60? And what if I told you that as a professional trader, I can teach you how to earn $500, $1,000 and even $10,000 per hour without leaving home? Just imagine how your life will change when you make that kind of money. If you want to learn how to make money on binary options today, watch this video to the end and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss useful videos. Hello my friends, you are on the options trading channel with Agatha, and here I show you how to make money on binary options. Statistics speaks for itself. My win rate is 84.6% for the last few years. I have gone from a beginner to an experienced trader with an excellent income over these years, and today I am ready to share my knowledge with you. The purpose of today's video is to show you one of my favorite strategies based on a combination of two indicators, the stochastic indicator and the alligator indicator. I have already earned more than $10,000 in a month using this strategy. This simple strategy will allow you to start with a small amount and earn more in one day than you earn in a month at your regular job. And most importantly, I will prove to you that you don't have to be an analytical genius and spend years studying to have a stable income. You just need to follow my advice and you can get your first money today. So we are on the Quotex platform. For successful trading, we need a few currency pairs with a high percentage of profit. So let's add the British pound and the Japanese yen, the New Zealand dollar and the Canadian dollar to the existing currency pair. And let's also add another currency pair, the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. Great! This will be enough for us to quickly find favorable entry points. Okay, now we move on to the indicators. First of all, let's add stochastic. This indicator is used to determine the price momentum. Lane himself gives the example of a rocket launched into the air to illustrate the work of his indicator, the speed of which necessarily begins to decrease before the rocket falls down. Thus, the momentum always changes its direction before the price changes. Let's also choose the alligator indicator, which consists of three moving lines. The blue line represents the alligator's jaw. The teeth of the beast are represented by the red line. The green line represents the lips of the alligator. This indicator allows us to accurately determine the direction of the trend. Okay, I have everything ready. Let's get started. So let's start by opening the second currency pair. We can immediately pay attention to the deep impulses of the stochastic indicator, which tell us about a sharp upward trend jump. So it will be optimal for us to open a call option for $2. Excellent start! As you can see, it was pretty easy, so let's get on with it. Let's go to the first currency pair. Let's look at the alligator indicator. The green moving line is at the top. This tells us that there is a short-term uptrend. Therefore, we can open a call option for $3. Yes! That's a second win in a row. So far, it doesn't look very complicated. Let's see what happens next. Let's look at the third currency pair. Right now, the chart isn't flat. We understand that at the moment there is an accumulation of volumes. I believe that due to the increased volatility, we will be waiting for a further upward price move. Therefore, we can open a call option. Nice! I was a little nervous, but the result didn't make me wait and the profit is already on my balance. You can see for yourself how even a small amount of money can quickly grow several times in a short session. And this is just one of the many strategies that are available. The most profitable strategies that I personally use are described in my book. It will be available soon, and if you want to learn more about it, just contact me in private messages in Telegram. In the meantime, let's back to trading. Let's reopen the first currency pair. The market is literally taking off. Buyers are confidently dragging the price up. The indicators are also showing strong growth. We have no choice but to open a call option for $9. Great! We did it! Our balance continues to grow. Let's move on to the second currency pair. This is where the situation changes for the first time in our session. The New Zealand and Canadian dollars have reached their all-time high. The stochastic indicator shows crossing the 70 level from top to bottom, coming out of the overbought zone. This is a great chance for us to open at $16 per option. Super! We are profiting again! So far, everything is going according to plan and the market is giving us great entry points. So let's see what happens next. Let's move on to the third currency pair. The chart has reached the local resistance level. Looking at the stochastic indicator, we can see the trend reversal starting. That's a great signal to open a put option. We open at $29 straight. Yes, that's what I call the perfect point to open a trade. Everything went exactly as we planned. Let's go to the first currency pair. Here we can also see how another trend reversal occurred from the formed resistance level. Therefore, we can safely open a put option for $54. Brilliant! We have one more successful trade. The balance is already more than $100, but we don't even think about stopping. Let's open the second currency pair. We observe a similar situation and our indicators do not lie. The market is always right and dictates its conditions. After reaching the historical maximum, the trend reverses and the price goes down. Hurry up and open the put option for $100. Great work! I love profits. Let's keep working. Let's open the third currency pair. The chart has been in flat for a long time. But these endless ups and downs begin to calm down, and a new period is formed and the beginning of it is a new candle. Impulses indicate a clear upward movement. The stochastic indicator has entered the oversold zone below the 30 mark and started its reversal. This confirms our theory, so let's open a call option for $187. Yeah, our balance keeps growing! I'm thinking of making a few more trades. Let's see if I won't lose everything. With a combination of just two indicators, I turned $2 into a solid sum of money, and it took me less time than your commute to work. I want everyone to gain financial independence and go from beginner to expert as quickly and safely as possible. I will personally help you with it. I know how to avoid the mistake that 90% of beginners make. To get started, you will just need to enter trades by following me and you will consistently be able to get the same results as mine. My win rate is 84.6% over the last few years and I've already made over $1 million. I don't feel any regret in sharing my experience with people. I will gladly guide you step by step into the world of trading and help you to reach a new financial level of life. Let's go to the first currency pair. Let's turn to our alligator indicator. The green line is on top of the others. This indicates a strong uptrend. Based on this data, I will open a call option for $349. Nice reward for a nice decision. Our bets are growing by the minute. Let's make more money. Let's move on to the second currency pair. After a small price correction, the market starts its upward movement and we will be happy to open a call option and watch this movement. Awesome! I love to see when my predictions come true and new profits fly into my balance. Let's move on to the third currency pair. Friends, we are left with a crucial investment to reach our desired deposit. The alligator indicator is clearly reacting to the news, and all the lines are shouting about a sharp fall. Stochastic is also confidently striving for the level of 13. And all we have to do is to enter the put option for $1,000 and watch the developments. Yes, excellent, we did it! Starting with just $2, we were able to increase our balance to $2,042 by more than 1,000 times. So let's count it. I want to confess that I love reading feedbacks from my subscribers who are already making money with me every day. Many of them have never dreamed just a few weeks ago that they would be able to earn such money. But today they already have a stable income and enjoy life. And I can say with absolute confidence, you can do it too. Friends, today once again I proved to you that by following my advice, you can really make as much money as you want. Remember friends, the key to financial freedom is in your hands. Subscribe to my channel, give me likes and leave comments if there is anything you don't understand. I also recommend you to watch these videos. They can be very useful for you. And that's it for today. See you later and bye!